In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slide. Let's dive right into it. Starting off, you're going to want to head over to Google Drive. It's here where all your creative projects begin, and Google Slide is no exception. Once you're there, you might notice a sign in button. Go ahead and click that. It's essential to be signed into your Google account to access all the fantastic features Google Slides has to offer. After you've signed in, your next step is to find the Google Slides option among your Google apps. Look for the colourful plus icon or the option that says blank presentation. This is your gateway to starting a fresh new presentation. Clicking on blank presentation will open up a brand new slide deck, all ready for your creative input. Now you're in, and the real fun begins, adding content to your presentation. Google Slides is designed to be intuitive, making it super easy to add text, images, and videos to your slides. Just click anywhere on the slide to start typing or use the toolbar to insert other types of content. Remember, your slides are a blank canvas, and how you decide to fill them is what will make your presentation stand out. Adding content is one thing, but knowing how to present it is another. Once you've filled your slides with all the necessary information and visual aids, it's time to show it off. Look for the slideshow button. This is what you'll click when you're ready to present your masterpiece. It transitions your editable slide view into a presentation mode, showcasing your work in full screen glory. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few tips to make your experience even smoother. First, always remember to save your work regularly. Google Slides auto-saves your work to the cloud, but it's good practice to keep an eye on your connectivity to ensure all changes are up to date. Another tip is to explore the templates Google Slides offers. If you're short on time or need some design inspiration, templates are a fantastic resource to kickstart your presentation, and that's pretty much all there is to it. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to becoming a Google Slides pro. Whether for school, work, or personal projects, mastering Google Slides can make your presentation process both efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or share your first Google Slides project. Happy designing!